Hello.
Hello.
I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
We thought we would do a room tour of our executive
It's
classroom.
very fancy.
We're at the Radisson Blu. Oh,
We are.
we're at the Radisson Blu in Manchester. So, you come in, there's this cubby?
I don't know what it is, yeah.
No, not sure. I guess you could put a case there.
Yeah, probably. A wardrobe with a safe and iron and trouser press, what I love.
Slippers.
I love that.
Are they towels?
Or robes.
Or robes.
Love that. Love a trouser press.
And an iron.
Yeah.
And a hairdryer.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll show you the bedroom.
It's quite wide as well.
Yeah, it
Really
is.
wide.
Okay, so here we've got glasses, tea and coffee things, and some biscuits.
Yeah.
We've got
Coffee maker.
an espresso,
Yeah.
some water, and a kettle. And I guess this is a fridge.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, you don't touch anything in there because the second you lift it's weighted, isn't
I
it?
think so.
So yeah, we're not touching that.
A big mirror, what's amazing. We do like a big mirror.
We've just dumped our bags there.
Yeah,
but
we've got to sort out the overweight it, maybe we've got to sort them out. A big telly. What's awesome.
were you just attempting to pull off the wall?
Oh, that's amazing how thin it is. That's what how thin that is, isn't it?
A desk if you want to do some desk things.
Yeah.
And a chair.
In-room dining, what's amazing.
What's that view like?
Really, have a run that should be. Yeah.
Hmm. Oh yeah, there's the
jet
runway.
over there.
I don't know what time the flights stop.
There we Google it. It's quiet though. We
Yeah.
had a runway room in Canada,
In the Marriott.
and it was amazing, but it was quite noisy.
Yeah.
So yeah. We'll see
Got like
what
a
that's
reading chair.
And my lovely reading chair.
And look at the size of that bed.
That's humongous.
Do you want to do the bed test, John?
That's humongous. I've got a bit of blood on my hand. Yeah. That's absolutely humongous.
It's like 2 beds. The thermostat there. There are USB connectors, like 1 on each side of the bed.
Yeah.
But those look like the only ones because they're just regular
Oh, I
plugs
see
there.
one. That's absolutely humongous.
Okay, yeah, air conditioning. Another plug there, look. And then,
Quite a nice bathroom. Lovely shower. And look at the size of that. That tower.
wow. We'll definitely be getting use out of the shower. Oh, the body washes and stuff look nice.
That will do nicely for a night.
You get a little nail file, conditioner, lotion, all the goodies.
Absolutely. And I think every executive room comes with lounge access.
Yes.
But we'll be going to later, so we'll link it somewhere.
Yeah.
When we go there. That will do nice for a night.
Yeah, it will. We hope this was helpful and we hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Bye.